If you're looking for a functional family sedan equipped with lots of added options and reliability, then take a look at this 2017 Chrysler 300S in ceramic gray. With adaptive BI-XENON HID headlamps, automatic headlamp leveling system, body color fascias, 19-inch aluminum hyper black wheels, door sill scuff pads, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, Beats Audio 10 premium speakers including subwoofer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, dual zone temp control, PARKSENSE front rear park assist system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, front and rear LED map pockets, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5383.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.